Waaree Renewable Technologies Q3 FY26 results, strong revenue growth and robust order book. Waaree Renewable Technologies Limited delivered a strong financial performance in Q3 FY26, with revenue from operations rising sharply to 851.06 crore rupees, reflecting significant year-on-year growth. This growth was driven by timely execution of ongoing solar EPC projects and strong demand for large-scale renewable energy infrastructure. Operating profitability also showed healthy expansion during the quarter. EBITDA increased to 158.80 crore rupees, supported by execution efficiency and disciplined cost management. Profit after tax stood at 120.19 crore rupees, highlighting the company's ability to convert revenue growth into solid bottom-line performance. For the first 9 months of FY26, the company has already surpassed its full-year FY25 revenue, indicating strong momentum across projects. EBITDA and PAT for the 9-month period also recorded robust growth, reflecting scale benefits and stable margins. The unexecuted order book remains strong at 2.92 GWP, offering revenue visibility for the next 12 to 15 months. In addition, the bidding pipeline continues to remain robust, indicating sustained business opportunities in the renewable energy space. Recent order wins during the quarter further strengthened the company's project portfolio. During the quarter, the board approved capital expenditure for setting up a 120 MWP solar power park in Maharashtra, reinforcing the company's long-term commitment to capacity expansion and asset-backed growth. Management commentary highlighted confidence in India's accelerating renewable energy adoption, backed by rising solar installations and increasing non-fossil fuel capacity. With a focus on operational efficiency, prudent capital allocation, and conservative leverage, Waaree Renewable Technologies aims to maintain healthy cash flows while scaling its presence in the renewable ecosystem. Looking ahead, the company remains focused on strengthening execution capabilities, investing in innovation, and expanding partnerships to capture emerging opportunities in the clean energy segment, positioning itself well for sustained growth in the coming quarters. Commenting on the results, Mr. Manmohan Sharma, CFO, Vari Renewable Technologies Limited said, "We are pleased to report revenues of 851.06 crore rupees in Q3 FY26, compared to 360.35 crore rupees in Q3 FY25, reflecting year growth of 136.18%. Our margin for this performance resonates our execution excellence, financial discipline and robust operating model." India's renewable energy sector continues to gain momentum, with over 30 gigawatts of solar capacity added in the first 9 months of FY26, which already surpasses the last year's full-year addition. Cumulative solar installations now stand at 135 gigawatts, while total non-fossil fuel capacity has reached 267 gigawatts, accounting for more than half of India's installed renewable capacity. With an unexecuted EPC order book of 2.92 GWP, WRTL is positioned to deliver large-scale solar projects, also ensuring long-term performance through integrated O&M services. India's energy transition is not only about expanding capacity but also about embedding resilience and efficiency. We also strengthened our financial position through focus on operational efficiency and prudent capital allocation. We remain committed to maintaining healthy cash flows, conservative leverage and strong governance standards. Looking ahead, we will continue to strengthen capabilities, invest in innovation, and expand partnerships to capture emerging opportunities in the renewable ecosystem.